Genevieve Thomas with the silliest dance ever. Work it. All right, change it up. Do something different. Shake your booty. All right, quit shaking your booty. All right, do something else silly. Oh, you want to get in on it, Lucian? Go do a silly dance. Quit.
Down here. That's